All right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Date code 2024. You have the Nitto Ridge grapplers, 35s. Looking at the wheel, Vossen hybrid forged. They look amazing. Here on the fender, that looks perfect. That hood edge looks good. Gloss black looks nice. A couple tiny rock impacts. A-pillar looks good. That door looks nice, and you even have the door protectors here. And they look like they're color matched, so they look really good. Looks amazing. That wheel's perfect. I mean, there's really not much to pick apart on this side. Scanning the hood here. Got one rock chip right there. They did touch it up. The rest of the edge is perfect. Not seeing really any other flaws there. And there's no PPF on this vehicle. You see a little rock impact there. You're going to see a couple tiny impacts. Lower side looks good. Tiny rock impact. A few more, so just a couple. I would say the biggest one is right here on the edge of the hood. All the other ones are very minor. And if you did full front clip PPF, all these little small ones I think would cover up really nice. That looks good. Edge is clean. Wheels are perfect. Side mirror looks amazing. A-pillar looks good. You have some chips right here on the edge on that step. That wheel looks nice. I mean, really clean. The back looks good. Right here on the edge there is a gash, and it did touch the paint just a little bit and a couple spots there. All right, checking out the interior. This still smells brand new. All of that looks good. Got a tiny marking right here. Otherwise that's perfect. Looking at the trim, that looks good. Small marking here, all weather mats. That bolster's perfect. Same here. This all looks amazing. Looks brand new. Nice matte finish to it. I don't see any flaws there. All of this is pretty much perfect. There's really nothing to complain about. I haven't seen any flaws in here. Here on this door panel, absolutely perfect. Trim, kick plate, floor mat. Seat looks amazing. There's really nothing to pick apart on this side. All looks and smells brand new. Same with this door panel, looks perfect. All the trim, floor mats, the seats, they look amazing. Got the power lift gate, got the little rubber mat here, owner's manual, first aid kit. Not sure what that is. Got your outlet here, a little cover. All this looks perfect. Here in the engine bay, lots of plastic, so you're not going to see much, but it all looks good. Okay, we're going on a quick test drive. We have 7,110 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering here, that is just in camera. That is not in person. Shift's nice and smooth. Brakes are solid. know that flickering is annoying in camera, but like I said, that does not do it in person. That's just the camera kind of reacting funny to the screens. Perfectly straight, no vibrations in the wheel. I know it has the aggressive tires, but you cannot feel it in the wheel whatsoever. Now you hear the tires a little bit, but this is a heavily insulated vehicle, and so it's really not annoying at all. Everything is solid though. It drives really nice. Got a great turning radius. Trying to get up to speed here just so we can hear the tires at a higher speed. And I'm really just barely getting on it, honestly, and it just wants to go. There we go, 55. Steering wheel is perfectly still. I don't feel any vibrations. Tires really aren't loud at all, honestly. You're gonna hear them just a little bit, maybe 15% louder than normal. Zero complaints though. Love these vehicles.